Hi, I'd like to talk to you about the cost of healthcare. If you're like many of us, we're looking for different alternatives to help compete with the rising monthly premiums and the higher deductibles that we're facing. I'd like to introduce you to AleriaCare Plus, individual and family healthcare that you can afford. AleriaCare is the only ACA alternative plan nationally. It's one plan that comes in a two-part offering. The first half, the direct primary care medical home, provides things like your preventive care, your doctor visits, telemedicine, and your RX discount coverage. The second part, the Unity Healthcare Sharing Ministries, provides things like hospitalization, surgery, emergency room, specialty care, and maternity. And because of that partnership with the HCMS, they're not limited to the open enrollment windows, so you can adjust your coverage at any time. Unity Health Share is a recognized HCMS under the ACA guidelines, and because of that, we have to change some of our terminology. MSRA is Member Shared Responsibility Amount. You can think of this as your deductible. Monthly contribution equals monthly premium. Member share amount is your coverage. Quick note, the member shared amounts have a lower negotiated cost for services. Need is your medical expenses for medical services by a licensed practitioner. Eligible needs are costs incurred under the provided service after the effective date. Your medical eligible needs are reimbursed through an escrow account that collects monthly contributions. And the nice thing is, with Unity Health Shares, they issue checks directly to the provider out of that escrow account. All of the AleriaCare offerings are ACA exempt plans. You'll receive the 8965 tax exemption form, so you won't have to worry about the ACA penalty. All of the AleriaCare offerings come in 3 different AleriaCare categories, each with its own member shared responsibility amount that you can choose from. There's the AleriaCare 5000, AleriaCare 7500, and the AleriaCare 10000. AleriaCare has 3 different offerings to fit everyone's individual needs. And remember, with each offering, you can choose the member shared responsibility amount that you're comfortable with. With the value plan, it covers the 63 preventive care items listed by the ACA. It gives you telemedicine, an RX discount plan, hospitalization, surgery, and emergency room coverage. The Plus plan covers you for the same 63 preventive care items, your telemedicine, RX discount. It also now includes labs and diagnostics, 3 doctor visits, 1 urgent care visit, hospitalization, surgery, and emergency room care. With the premium plan, you get the 63 preventive care items, telemedicine, RX discount, labs and diagnostic, but now you get 5 doctor visits, 2 urgent care visits, chronic care, podiatry, OBGYN, and your hospitalization, surgery, emergency room care, specialty care, and maternity. So before we go into the details, let's go through a quick example how the AleriaCare offerings work.
In today's society, we are always on the run. We are your first line of defense for your healthcare needs. Call Teladoc first before you do anything. With Teladoc Telemedicine, you can quickly speak with the healthcare provider, either face-to-face, through a computer or tablet, or call and talk to a provider over the phone. The best part is, there's no consult fee or copay, and it's available for you and your family. Teladoc can treat many healthcare issues, including small wounds, allergies, headaches, colds or flus, rashes, bronchitis, fever, nausea, skin inflammations, pink eye, and many more. Teladoc providers are able to prescribe a wide variety of prescription products. Your prescription medication could then be picked up at your local pharmacy. So now you can get healthy, happy, and back to your normal hobbies. In this segment, we're going to talk about Aleria Healthcare's free concierge service. At Aleria Healthcare, we understand it's hard to balance work, life, and your healthcare needs. That's why Aleria Healthcare provides a free concierge service for all members. This service is to help guide you through your healthcare needs. Call Aleria Healthcare to set up your appointments. When you need help locating your provider's office, or if you have a general question about your membership, our professional healthcare team at Aleria is here for you. It's time to wrap up our How to Use Your Health Pass membership video. Let's do a quick review. Use Teladoc Telemedicine before scheduling an appointment with Aleria Healthcare. It's the quickest way to speak to a healthcare provider. If a Teladoc provider is unable to resolve the issue, contact Aleria Healthcare to schedule an appointment. Aleria Healthcare thanks you for watching this video. We are excited to have you on board.
The AleriaCare Plus comes in a 5,000, 7,500, or 10,000 MSRA, and it's also in the First Health PPO network. It comes in a two-part offering. The AleriaCare offering covers you for the 63 preventive services outlined by the ACA. There's a zero out-of-pocket expense and no deductible to meet for any of the scheduled preventive care services or routine in-network checkups for things like a pap smear, flu shots, and more. It's always easy to stay healthy with regular preventive care checkups. The plan also covers you for telemedicine. Whether you're sick at work or in bed all day, a doctor is only a phone call away. Talk to a doctor on your phone or video chat and have your problems diagnosed and even medicine prescribed. With 24/7, 365-day access to a doctor, staying healthier has never been simpler. The plan also includes a prescription drug program. The AleriaCare Prescription Savings delivers significant discounts on both name brand and generic drugs, saving cardholders an average of 55% on their prescription drug purchases. And now the plan includes 3 primary episodic care visits. Primary care is at the core of AleriaCare plans. We consider it the key step in getting and staying healthy. Our model is based on an innovative approach to care that is truly patient-centered, combining excellent service with a modern-day approach. Your membership also includes over 180 different lab tests to ensure your medical care needs are always covered. We're also going to include 1 urgent care visit. For those medical situations that can't wait or are more complex than a primary care service, AleriaCare plans offer access to urgent care facilities at hundreds of medical centers throughout the United States. X-rays are also included as a part of this plan. The only limitations are that your annual physical is available after 9 months. A consult fee will be due when a member visits a provider. On average, it's about $20. And members are responsible for a read fee of $25 on average for x-rays read at an urgent care facility. With the Unity offering, you're covered for your hospitalization, surgeries, both inpatient and outpatient procedures are covered once the MSRA is met. One of the big differences with this plan is with your emergency room care. You now only have a $500 out-of-pocket MSRA that needs to be met per emergency room incident. And now you have up to $250,000 worth of sharing available per incident with a $1 million lifetime cap. Now that you're familiar with the new terminology, let's go through Unity HealthShare's Statement of Beliefs. At the core of what we do and how we relate to and engage with one another as a community of people is a set of common beliefs. Members agree to abide by these statements of beliefs. 1. We believe our personal rights and liberties originate from God and are bestowed to us by God. Number 2, we believe that every individual has a fundamental religious right to worship God in his or her own way. Number 3, we believe it's our moral and ethical obligation to assist our fellow man when they are in need according to our available resources and opportunities. Number 4, we believe it's our spiritual duty to God and our ethical duty to others to maintain a healthy lifestyle and avoid food and behavior or habits that produce sickness or disease to ourselves or others. And number 5, we believe it's our fundamental right of conscience to direct our own health care and consult with physicians, families, or other valuable advisors. AleriaCare Health, in partnership with Healthcare Sharing Ministries, have created an ACA-exempt plan for individuals and families. This combination provides the most flexible and cost-effective program on the market today. Feel free to download the plan detail sheet, which goes through all of the AleriaCare plans and benefits and sharing amounts. At the very bottom of the sheet, it goes through the pricing for individuals only, individuals plus spouse, individuals plus children, or family coverage. If you would like to enroll in one of the benefits, or if you have questions, feel free to contact us at www.aleriahealth.com/Jose Sanchez. Again, that's www.aleriahealth.com/Jose Sanchez.